Nepal's newly elected Prime Minister Sushila Karki expands her cabinet by appointing 3 new ministers on Monday. Prime Minister Karki appointed Kulman Kising as the Minister for Energy, Water Resources and Irrigation, Om Prakash Aryal as Minister for Home and Law, and Rameshwar Khanal as the Minister for Finance. The newly appointed ministers were sworn into their office on Monday. These ministers have formerly held powerful positions and are credited for formidable work during their tenures. Meanwhile, senior advocate Sabita Bhandari has been appointed as the new Attorney General, who is the first woman to be appointed at this position. She was appointed to the post on the recommendation of Prime Minister Sushila Karki in accordance with Article 157 of the Constitution of Nepal. And now to get you the latest from Nepal, I am joined by DD India correspondent Shweta Singh. Good afternoon, Shweta. What is the latest that you can tell us on the cabinet expansion, and what next are we expecting, Shweta?
You see, today morning, in fact, in the noon, 3 ministers took oath to the cabinet of the interim government. These all 3 were expert in the field. If you see Kulman Kising, he was very popular when he was Nepal Electricity Authority chairman. He had taken authority to a higher level with a lot of revenue generation. And earlier in Nepal, there were like 18 hours of power cut. But after he took charge, everything was more stabilized. And at least in the electricity front, Nepal started performing well. And it started exporting electricity to India as well. In 2024 itself, Nepal earned 24 million just from exporting electricity. So Kulman Kising was really doing well. Later on, when he was sacked by the government in earlier this year, then Parliament also raised questions that why was he sacked on March 25. So you see, he was a popular chairman of any earlier, and people did like him. So as the earlier government dissolved and new interim is formed, he got a chance to lead energy ministry. And same thing goes for the other 2 ministers. Rameshwarji is a very good technocrat here in Nepal. He was very popular of bringing very good tax policy, enhancing the GDP of Nepal by supporting good policies. So even as a Rameshwarji is also very preferred and popular one, followed by the Mr. Aryal, who took as a law minister here. He had been a good advocate, have fought many cases and won, and people did like him because it was against the government when he fought, and then he won the case from Supreme Court.
All right.
See, he is again chosen. So all the 3 ministers were popular among Gen Z, and that's the reason they got place in the interim government.
All right. Thank you so much, Shweta, for joining us and bringing us the latest straight from Nepal.